This is Tamara again. I need more information.
Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes, I do. Like I'm guessing it hasn't done the full page. Yes, it hasn't. So what I have to do is click this right here. Now I'm going to touch the blue one and drag it to where I want it. And then click that. Good. Now I'm going to do it again. So PDF preview, generate task. Has it done yet? Almost, guys.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes, we do. Good. Now it's done it correctly. We're just going to close that last one. So now it's done it correctly. As you can see, it's fully. Okay, now we're just going to minimize. And copy to depth and quick allocation models. So we're going to statement 1 first. Do you want to continue? Yes.
Have you copied the data you want to analyze?
Have you copied the data you want to analyze? Yes, we have.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now.
Okay guys, it's just loading.
Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Okay, now let's do the second one. Do you want to continue? Yes.
Have you copied the data you want to analyze?
Yes.
Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Okay, so what we can do now is close that. Okay, so I guess it's done it. And now I'm just going to, not too big, that'll do. Now I'm just going to click customer 1 because that step 2 is not ours, it's customer 1. Okay, so we've got our 2 statements exactly, our 2 that's exactly what we wanted. Now we need to click the select and the little drop down. So I'm going to click 100. Let's see actually. There we go, that's what we wanted. Now if we click the second one and do the little drop down, we want the second of the first, like we wanted. the date that we put in statement 2, no, statement 1, it was 2/1/2011, and there we go. So here is our amounts that we put. Yes, it doesn't really concern us, those amounts. It's mostly the balance remaining and the difference. Okay. So this is 180. So that's the wrong one and that's the correct one. So the difference is 80 minus 80. Yes, or 80. The difference is 80, and here the difference is 20 because 100 take away 80 is 20. Okay. Anyways, now I'm going to print this page. Okay, so we can put it in a corner and we don't have to be coming here then back, here then back. And now, guys, I'm not a teacher anymore. I'm now a trainee or a student. Okay, because I've emailed it or sent it to my students. Now I am one of the students and I'm going to calculate this. So what the main thing is, we're trying to balance these two numbers to be the same thing. Yes. So I'm going to go to settings. Settings. Now I'm going to go to print. Here, print comes in handy. Print. Do you want to generate PDF document of your operation? Yes. Good. It's done everything for us apart from the difference. Okay, so what we need to do now is click this at the bottom right here. Where's the blue line? The blue line is meant to be, oh no, isn't it this one? Good, that's what we want. Okay, now we're just going to click this one right here, the first one, and there we go. Now we're going to go back to settings, up here, go to print, print preview PDF. Do you want to generate a PDF document of your operation? Yes, I do. Good, now it's got the differences as well. So this is what we're going to keep, okay? Now I'm going to click X, make this a little bit smaller. And now I'm going to go to quick allocation. Now is quick allocation here? Yes, so if you just go, well, if I just go right, then I see quick allocation with a button here. Just going to click it, and there I go.